The Copy Trading panel lives in the platform's main menu under the Trading category. Open it up, and you'll see the list of copy bots you've created before. To create a new bot, click Add New Bot. If this is your first time, the platform will warn you that high-frequency trading protection is active. For copy bots, we recommend turning it off so positions and orders get copied correctly across all connected accounts. Head to General Settings, Trading Protection, and disable Orders Limitation. Give your bot a name and add a short description if you want. Something like the connection names or account numbers works well. Set the parent connection and account. This is the account the bot will copy all trading activity from. Then add a few child accounts. These are the ones that will mirror the trades from the parent. Note that child accounts can come from different connections, but be careful when picking trading symbols. The Quantity Copy Mode option tells the bot how to calculate the order size for copied trades relative to the parent order. You've got two options, Percentage and Multiplier. In Percentage mode, the bot looks at the parent order quantity as a percentage of the parent account balance, then applies that same percentage to the child account balance to set the copy order size. In Multiplier mode, the bot just takes the quantity from the parent order and multiplies it by your coefficient. That's the size of the child copy order. Once everything's set, hit Save. After all the settings are dialed in, start your bot with the Run button. When a bot is first created, it's stopped and not watching the parent account yet. To activate it, click Start. Now it's running and ready to copy your orders to the child accounts. Let's run some basic trades from our primary account. In the Side Order Entry panel, pick the primary account you'll be trading from. As you can see, the moment we send an order, the bot copies it to the child accounts. Modify the order, and the child account orders get modified too. To make changes to a copy bot, you'll need to stop it first. In Advanced Settings, you can choose between two copying modes, Requests Copying or Portfolio Copying. Requests Copying intercepts commands the moment they're sent to the broker's server and instantly duplicates them to all child accounts. This means it copies all orders, positions, and SLTP on the fly at maximum speed. In this mode, you can also set a time interval for automatic order synchronization. Portfolio copying is a smarter mode that only copies actual positions from the master account to all child accounts. This reduces unnecessary server requests, so SLTP copying is not performed in this mode. Inside the copybot, you can set up symbol mapping. This lets you replicate trades from one symbol to another. For example, you might trade NQ futures on the parent account while the child accounts trade the microcontract, MNQ. On top of that, you can set different symbols for each individual child account, even across different connection types like CQG or dxFeed. This gives you tighter control over risk management on your follower accounts.